So a friend of mine who's a really good cook decided to teach a bunch of us how to make her really delicious lasagna. And I thought, hey, let's stream this so that we can share it with the friends who can't be physically with us. In fact, let's stream, and then we can also take all the steps and create a little short how-to video. But it was like 2 hours, and downloading that entire 2 hours would have taken forever. And then finding all the parts that I would have wanted to make this video would have taken another chunk of forever. But I was trying out this new software called Catapult, which actually takes my entire stream from Twitch and puts it in their cloud. So I'm never downloading anything, I'm just working all from their site. Catapult also suggests some interesting moments, like when we're laughing or screaming, or when chat asks us a question. I can scan around, I can jump, I can fast forward or rewind super easy, all to find just what I want to make this lasagna video. I create the clip, save it, and there they all are. I download just what I need to make the video that shows everyone how to make this delicious lasagna. So, if this is something that seems kind of interesting for you to do, if you're a live streamer and you want to make content from your streams, Catapult is right now in its beta, and you can sign up for its waiting list if this is something that you want to try. www.catapult.stream